Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtutoys channel. So in front of me, I have today slightly different, a little bit different from the usual content that I do. This is actually in 1:43 scale, but I really want to share with you guys because this was a online exclusive from Ignition model, a 1:43 scale with a figure, okay, with Nakai-san's figure, and his signature as well, the RWB 997 Obabon. Okay, so this one, again, a shout out to Hui underscore RWB 993. He's actually the guy that helps me out with all the information on RWB around the world. He's a crazy, pretty much a RWB Wiki. So he shared information with me so that I can speed up, so that I can shorten the homework time for me to do all these videos. Okay, so the information that we gathered is Obabon does not belong to Nakai-san himself, because a lot of people made that assumption when Initial Model released this model together with this figure. Actually, this is it's owned by Japanese. The Obabon actually resides in Japan, and it's a I think it wasn't a track car until a couple of years back when they decided to put the number 77 on it. Okay, so first things first, let's check out the figure. Okay, so it's Mr. Nakai 1:43 scale white metal version. Okay, this is number 2053. All right, so it comes with the does really feel like a matchbox, okay, but it does have that signature Initial Model kind of handle flap kind of thing up there, okay, which I'm just gonna leave that alone. And okay, here we go. So Nakai-san actually sits up rather than a figure. I think I would call this a statue, okay, because it's die cast. It's quite heavy. You can definitely use this as a paperweight as well if you want to. Okay, and I think as of the release of this video, right, you would probably have seen this was this figure in 1/18 scale in full color. Okay, it's the exact same pose, so I kind of assume that it is Initial Model actually did get a 3D scan of Nakai-san himself. Okay, so that's the statue. Okay, I will call it a statue. All right, I will just put him aside for a short while we check out the car. Okay, and here we have RWB and Nakai-san's signature. Okay, it rather than handwritten, I'm not sure if it's handwritten. I don't know. I think it's printed, but from the looks of it, the way the ink stain is on the acrylic box, right? It does feel like it's really handwritten. Okay, it does have that handwritten kind of feel to it. All right, so this is RWB 993 matte black 2321. Okay, this product is approved by Ralph Bequeath. Okay, all right, so it's pretty much a standard IG kind of packaging, Initial Model limited edition. So let's just get it out of the packaging. Okay, so underneath we see there's two seals down there. This thing is okay, so that's it's a leather base. Okay, it's a leather type of base, and usually I do want to take it out of the base, but they kind of tape it. I don't think I'll do it in this video because yeah, I really like this one, so I think I'll just keep it in the packaging. So okay, on the plate itself it says RWB Initial Model 993. It doesn't state how many models was made. I'm not sure how many was made, but from what I gathered, this was sold out in between 10 to 30 minutes. I did hear some people say 10, some people say 30 minutes. So it's, yeah, it was being sold out within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so this thing is pretty crazy. All right, and do switch on full HD mode. All right, switch on full HD mode. I'm recording this in full HD so that we can all together appreciate the crazy ass details on this thing. Check out the disc brakes, the calipers, the disc brake itself, the details in there. That's freaking cool. Okay, that's Obabon number 77. All right, that's the safety belts inside. That's pretty obvious in green, so you can see. It's quite easy to see the details in there. Is it Takata? Yeah, it is Takata seat belts. Okay, there's a silver gear knob in there. Okay, that's very very nice. Okay, and then there's the racing spec steering wheel. Okay, that detail in there is really very nice as well. Okay, can you see it? Okay, there we go, there we go. All right, and then there's a roll cage in there. It's freaking nuts, man. I really like the detail of the tow hook. That is actually done very very nice. Okay, 1046 style. Damn, check out that ass. Okay, the crazy ass over fenders. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, it does have that Amigo sticker underneath the spoiler, so that's interesting. I wonder what relation does this have with Amigo. Interesting. Interesting. Nice. Very very nice. So I'm really happy that I managed to get this from the online offer the other day, and I only have a couple. I yeah, most likely I'm gonna keep this one because they limit to one account. You can purchase two, so I actually bought two. I'll be honest, I bought two and then I sold the other one. So this one most likely I will keep it. So 143 scale initial model. This would be my third one that I'm keeping. That I don't intend to sell. The first one is the Nishmo Festival, Nishmo R34, and then there was the Tokyo Auto Salon, Bayside Blue, R34 as well. So that would be the two piece I'm keeping, and I think I do have a strong feeling that I'm gonna keep this one. Can he stand? Yes, he can stand. Yes, Nakai-san stands. And then he doesn't. All right, so that's it for this video this time around. Do stay tuned. I do have quite a few couple of new releases from there's Mini GT, so I'm trying to decide which one should I do first. I will be taking more close-up photos of this guy and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button, okay? And for any deals, for purchasing, trading and stuff, you can reach me at my Instagram or my Facebook. All right, those would be the two key places to reach me. Cool. All right, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.